Hello and welcome to John Young Photography. Today I wanted to talk about macro photography, close-up photographs that you can take of such things as insects, flowers, even jewellery. I do macro close-up photographs for my rings when I'm doing my wedding photographs. But you can use various ways you can do macro close-up photographs. One way which I use, I'm not sure I would recommend it, but years back when I used to first start to take photographs with 35mm camera, film camera, I had a magnifying glass and I basically just put it on the front of the lens and used that. It was hit and miss, I was kind of zooming out with the magnifying glass and stuff like that, and it was a bit hard work, but it worked, and I got some relatively decent photographs of a leaf. I think it was a leaf with raindrops on. It looked okay. But the main way that most people would do it is they would use a macro lens. You're talking at least probably £400 for a macro lens, and the results produced obviously are excellent. I mean, you get some beautiful photographs. You've probably seen them on the internet where you get these lovely close-up photographs of insects and insects' eyes and everything, and really beautiful photographs. But of course, you've got a lot of expense to fork out for the lens to start with. Now, what I want you to talk about today was, there's another option that I've got here is close-up filters. Now these ones, Sunago, I bought off eBay. I think they came from Hong Kong originally when I bought them. I've had them years now. And these cost me about £2 or £3, something like that, from Hong Kong. Took a while to get here, but they did get here. And they're okay, they produce fairly decent photographs of them. They come in a little box like that. And then what we can do with these is you screw them on the end of your lens. So I haven't got my camera here to show you, unfortunately, but you screw them on the end of your lens, and you can either have them singly, so you can have like one lens, but the beauty of these is actually go together, so you can add them up, and each one is like a different magnification. So I've got what's that one on the top there? That's just on screen, that's a 1. You can see that there, that's a 1. And then there's a 2, and then there's a 3. So you can add them together if you wanted. You can add the 1, the 2 there, so you've got 3. You can add them all together, so you've got like 6. And basically, you put them on the end of your lens. I can't remember if I used autofocus or manual focus when I used it on mine, because it's a while since I've used these actually. But the results aren't bad, and I'll show you some examples of some of the photographs I've taken. I've taken a few of like candle photographs, and there's a flower I took, a gerber flower, which I think looked quite effective and quite nice. And actually, just to show you the gerber flower, the quality that it ended up with actually was pretty not bad. I actually making it into a canvas, which actually hung on the wall. So it's not bad to produce that from £2 worth of filters. I don't think that's too bad at all. Just worth having a go, rather than obviously, as I said before, you're not going to match the quality that you would get with a real macro lens. But if you want to just venture into macro photography, close-up photography, and you want to give it a try, it's worth a go. It's worth getting some of these for a few quid. Give them a go. If you really like it, really enjoy it, then you can always then move on to buying a proper macro lens and take it from there. But they're not bad at all. They're pretty good quality. They work pretty well, and for a few quid it's certainly worth a try. Okay, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Thanks for watching. This is John Young Photography. Bye bye.